This smart 30-inch all-gas slide-in range by LG has a print-proof stainless front with one color-matched stainless handle, 6 weighted knobs, and features a large black glass viewing window that allows you to see inside the oven without opening the door, just by knocking twice on the glass. It has a front-facing glass touch control panel with several options, including the option to air fry, numerical keys, and an easy-to-read LED display. It comes with 3 heavy-duty edge-to-edge continuous dishwasher-safe grates and 5 silk burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 9,100, one 10,000, one 18,000, and one 20,000 BTU power burner. Inside the 6.3 cubic foot oven is a cobalt blue porcelain interior with 2 flat racks, 7 rack positions, 1 oven light, and a convection fan. The lower drawer offers added storage for flat pans and baking sheets. To learn more about ranges, visit us at app.com and visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.